How to send large videos on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open File Manager. Click on Storage. In Storage, you'll find Internal Storage. Click on Internal Storage, then click on three dots located at top right, and then create a new folder. After you've created a new folder, click on the folder and then add the video, which is the large video. Then simply open WhatsApp and then click on clip like option on the chat. Then click on File and select the file from your drive and then send it. In this way, you will be able to send large videos. This is how to send large videos on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below.